Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to create or open a Scotia bank account. So this should be the website itself, and by the way, before you can open this one, these are the packages offered by Scotia. You have the Ultimate Package, Preferred Package, or the Momentum Savings Account. These are the payment every year, I think. And then, moving on with this one, you can either view all banks account here, view all savings. Anyway, these aren't the important stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead on the important details you need to go through. So the thing you need to meet first is going to be this four right here. You need to be at least 16 years old, a Canadian resident, or where you're here to work here or study. Of course, if you're an immigrant there, you need to be working there or studying. Next is opening this account in your name, your own legal name, okay? And next is you're okay with paperless document delivery. So technically, they're just going to deliver the card to your household when you register to this account. Next is what kind of information you're gonna open. For example, you have your full name, your address as it appears on your photo ID, your date of birth, your occupation of type of business if you have one. Of course, this should be a Canadian business or occupation. Next is social insurance number if you want to open an interest-bearing account. So if you don't want to open an interest-bearing account, you don't need that one. Anyway, that's it actually. That's the only basic thing you need. And basically just go to this website and click on sign in. After securing all of those information, click on sign in and you're good to go. That's how you open an account on Scotiabank. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.